In this video we learn AutoCAD commands and setting. 1. D I V Command for divided points for measure objects. 2. D P. Type Command for divided point style. 3. D L I Command for measure objects. Point. Points can act as nodes to which you can snap objects. You can specify a full three-dimensional location for a point. The current elevation is assumed if you omit the z-coordinate value. The mode and system variables control the appearance of point objects. Mode values 0, 2, 3, and 4 specify a figure to draw through the point. A value of 1 specifies that nothing is displayed. Specifying the value 32, 64, or 96 selects a shape to draw around a point, in addition to the figure drawn through it. Size controls the size of the point figures, except for mode values 0 and 1. A setting of 0 generates the point at 5% of the drawing area height. A positive size value specifies an absolute size for the point figures. A negative value is interpreted as a percentage of the viewport size. After you change mode and size, the appearance of existing points changes the next time the drawing is regenerated. You can use measure and divide to create points along an object. Use type to specify point size and styles easily. Point Style dialog box. Point Display Images. Specifies the image used to display point objects. The point style is stored in the mode system variable. Point size sets the point display size. The value you enter can be relative to the screen or in absolute units. The point display size is stored in the size system variable. Subsequent point objects that you draw use the new value. Set size relative to screen. Sets the point display size as a percentage of the screen size. The point display does not change when you zoom in or out. Set size in absolute units. Sets the point display size as the actual units you specify under point size. Points are displayed larger or smaller when you zoom in or out. Linear dimensions. Linear dimensions can be horizontal, vertical, or aligned. With aligned dimensions, the dimension line is parallel to the line, imaginary or real, between the extension line origins. Baseline, or parallel, and continued, or chain. Dimensions are series of consecutive dimensions that are based on a linear dimension. In all four illustrations, the extension line origins are designated explicitly at 1 and 2, respectively. The dimension line location is specified at 3. As you create linear dimensions, you can modify the content of the text, the angle of the text, or the subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.